Yo, my name is Benjamin and this is dynamic icon support in Wireframer. I can bring up Wireframer by pressing W on my keyboard, and let's add our prompt. I want a page for my app allowing people to discover new music with a big feature listing where each feature has an icon. Wireframer can now pick icons from an icon set automatically, making sure they always match your prompt. And these are icons from a real icon set in Framer, meaning they are completely customizable, from the color to the width to the style. And of course, you can pick your own icons as well. This makes it even easier to generate useful starting points for your next website in Framer. You can now find these dynamic icons in a variety of pages that Wireframer can generate, covering all sorts of use cases, like this design studio page, where Wireframer can pick matching icons depending on the services listed, which in this case are all music related. Another fun example is a link in bio page, where you can ask for specific social media services to feature, helping you ship your first website in minutes. And that's not all. We are also bringing back sections to the insert panel. You can find sections under basics, and they now come in both light and dark mode. To add sections to our pages, I can drag and drop, or I can click any of the available sections. And on click, Framer will automatically add the section to our page. With both Wireframer and sections, there are now many ways to compose layouts in Framer, and the choice is yours. Plus, that new theming toggle we also added to the other existing insertable elements, like navigations and menus, making all insertable elements easier to browse. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more updates coming soon.